Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever Malaysia Entrepreneur Halal Carnival. This is the first event of its kind to have been organized in the Balkan region, and it is a great opportunity for Malaysian enterprises and companies to come into the Balkan region.
We cannot explore any other places in the Balkan state other than Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina.
I'm honored to be the organizer and the host of the first Malaysia Entrepreneur Halal Carnival.
How do you think the Bosnian audience accepted the product?
Mostly the Bosnians very acceptable this product. Inshallah, in a very near future, we'll be having a Malaysian restaurant somewhere close to the airport.
I find it's very great to be here. For 3 days, I've been cooking more than 30 recipes, where I find out your people, the Bosnian, and everybody here loves Malaysian food so much.
Organized by the Bumiputra Association of Malaysia in cooperation with BI Consulting and supported by the Malaysian Ministry of Entrepreneur Development.